The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 28. If you want to earn a living by drawing. If you want to earn your living as an artist, that is a terrific ambition. You can spend all day drawing to your heart's content. Except that the rent will eventually need to be paid and food put on the table. If you have kids or other responsibilities, the pressure gets really heavy. There is a wonderful life to be had as a full-time creative person, but there are compromises to be made. The sooner you can accept and come to terms with those compromises, the sooner you can enjoy your new lifestyle. You may have an insightful understanding of the world around you, but if no one wants to buy your work, you will go hungry. You do not have to sell out completely. Put aside a set amount of time for saleable work and a set amount of time to pursue your own passions and ideas. It takes self-discipline. The buying public need time to be educated to appreciate and understand new ideas. They will eventually appreciate your work, but they can be slow to learn, so be patient. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a perfect star? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.